yan for our last luto na dito. Ang palakas ng tenda ng gasintan yan. Again, we thank again for sponsors of this event. Thank you last week, even last year.
Go!
To win the champion, the lightweight category. Let's get table number 2. Okay, nakuha si Joe. Bilis ng healing ng katawan. Pagkinabagin sa ating mga masters. Okay, very good. Okay, last spin. Table number 2.
Yun! Last spin. Nice. Last spin. Last spin, sige po. Gibo Castro.
Okay, table number 2.
Yes! Woo! Congratulations! Champion! Champion!
The lightweight category, we have
John Michael
Castro. Table number 2.
Yun! Kuha! Yun! Kuha!
Nakuha si Jobert Kulis.
Ayun!
Lakad number 1, Tibor Luis Violet. Thank you. Okay, last game for John Michael Castro. Last match.
Spin.
Joshua Natividad versus Joshua Villa.